Welcome to Tech Talk. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and often misunderstood topic, machine learning. You've heard the term, maybe even thrown it around in conversations to sound smart, but what exactly is machine learning? Stick around and we'll break it down in a way that's easy to understand, scientifically accurate, and even a bit fun. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that enables computers to learn from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to do so. Think of it as teaching a computer to be smart, smarter than your average smartphone, and yes, even smarter than your dog who finally learned to fetch last week. Let's break it down further with two main types of machine learning, supervised learning and unsupervised learning. First, supervised learning. This is like having a teacher who knows all the answers. You feed the computer a bunch of data with labels. For example, you give it photos of cats and dogs labeled as cat or dog. The computer learns from these examples and over time gets pretty good at identifying cats and dogs on its own. It's like training a child to recognize animals by showing them pictures and telling them the names. Next, unsupervised learning. Now this is where things get a bit more mysterious. Here, the computer is given data without labels and must find patterns or groupings on its own. Imagine giving a kid a box of mixed Lego pieces and watching them sort them by shape and color without any instructions. One popular method in unsupervised learning is clustering, where the computer groups similar data points together. Then we have deep learning, a more advanced subset of machine learning. This involves neural networks with many layers. Think of it as the brain of machine learning. These networks can analyze various factors in the data, such as recognizing faces in photos, understanding speech, and even driving cars. Yes, that's right. Self-driving cars rely heavily on deep learning to navigate roads and avoid obstacles. It's like giving your computer superpowers. But machine learning isn't just about cool tech, it's making a real impact in our daily lives. 1. Healthcare. Machine learning helps in diagnosing diseases, predicting patient outcomes, and personalizing treatment plans. Imagine an AI doctor that can analyze your medical history and give you a tailored treatment plan, all while you sip your morning coffee. 2. Finance. It's used to detect fraudulent transactions, manage investment portfolios, and even predict stock market trends. So, the next time you wonder how your bank knew that suspicious transaction wasn't you, thank machine learning. 3. Entertainment. Ever wonder how Netflix knows you're into those obscure 90s sitcoms? Machine learning algorithms analyze your viewing habits and recommend shows you might like. It's like having a friend who knows your guilty pleasures but doesn't judge. Now, let's talk about how these machines learn. Remember, they're not born smart. They need data, lots of it. They gobble up data like we gobble up popcorn during a movie. The more data they have, the better they get at their task. It's like training for a marathon. You need practice, practice, and more practice. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. Machine learning raises important ethical issues such as data privacy, algorithmic bias, and job displacement. It's crucial to develop guidelines and regulations to ensure these technologies benefit society as a whole and don't end up like a rogue AI from a sci-fi movie. So, there you have it, machine learning in a nutshell. From recognizing photos to making Netflix recommendations, it's all around us, making our lives easier and more interesting. What do you think about machine learning? Exciting, scary, or a bit of both? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech insights. Thanks for watching Tech Talk. See you next time.